Welcome, this is Mary Fish with Stampin' Pretty and StampinPretty.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. In today's WOW video, I'm going to share with you how I created this super cute post-it note holder. It actually will fold flat, so you could certainly mail it in a little bubble wrap envelope if you wanted to send it out, and it only requires setting it up in this easel style. Just a couple tips about the details. I used the Stampin' Up! Country Home stamp set and Stampin' blends to color the picture and the florals, as well as the sentiment. This is the braided linen trim, which is to die for. Little tiny braids, is that cute? And then I used a fine tip glue pen to add just a dot of gloss. I don't know if you can see it on the video. A dot of gloss on each of the berries. Really, really simple and easy. So today I'm just going to show you the mechanics of how to create the easel. And it's really, really easy. I have the Stampin' Up! Stampin' trimmer, and I have cut a piece of rich raspberry cardstock to 3.5 by 11. And then I'm going to score it. The trimmer both cuts and scores. I'm just going to do the scoring with you at 2 3/4 and 5.5. And then you just simply need to fold the smaller pieces in. Okay, so you have the large piece as the base, and you fold these two pieces in. I don't have my bone folder handy, but I'm going to recommend using the bone folder to get that crease nice, okay? And then you would put the post-it notes right here on the base. I think I leave about 1/4 inch all the way around, and I would use our tear and tape to make sure that this stays down, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to show you how this works. And then ultimately that's going to go like that. But we want to add one more simple piece, and that's another piece of rich raspberry cardstock. It's 3.5 by 4 3/4. And so I'm going to use some tear tape, and it's going to go right on here. So I'm going to fold it flat. I actually think it's simpler to do that before you put on the post-it notes. And I'm just going to add a little bit here. Again, just this portion, not the whole thing, to add that little easel front. And you could do different sizes of this. You can certainly modify this. It just happened to work out based on the sizes that I wanted. And one more. So I'm going to line this piece up. Okay, see where this folds? And line this piece up at the base with that. Just checking before it's final. And now I have this little easel. And now I'll put my post-it notes back. Again, I would use tear tape for the post-it notes to really keep it in place. But you can see how simple it was to just create that easel, and it just sits up cute. You could put anything. You could put somebody's initials or monogram. You could make it seasonal. And I will bring back the one that I made. That's on my blog. All the details are on my blog. If you have any questions or comments about this project, please leave me a message on YouTube. I make sure that I get back to every comment with a response. And visit my blog, StampinPretty.com, for daily paper crafting tips, the latest Stampin' Up! Promotions, as well as to shop for Stampin' Up! Products. That's what I do. I sell Stampin' Up! Products as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. The greatest gig ever. Thank you so much for sharing some time with me today, and bye-bye.